Hey, boys and girls, here we are in Hamlet, North Carolina, doing a bush hogging job. Carolina Tractor Worx. You can see we done got most of it knocked out. We're getting down to the bottom of it now. Y'all like our page? Please subscribe. Hit that little icon on over there that says the bell, and you receive notifications when we post new stuff. Need any bush hogging, mowing, land clearing, excavation, demolition, grading, landscaping. We're going to do it all. We also do small acreage logging and all. Up to about 5-10 acres of land. We'll do about, like I said, we'll do small steel logging up to about 10 acres of land, 15, something like that, as well. And we can do land clearing, come in after we get the logs off of it, and dig up the stumps and everything for you, so you can either plant it back out in pine trees or whatever, or plant it in pasture, or whatever you want to do with it. But like I said, you need any bush hogging, landscaping, land clearing, excavation, grading, demolition, give us a call. We out of Marlboro County, South Carolina, Pensacola, South Carolina area. We'd be more glad to give you a price on anything you may need. No job too small. And my motto is that we do the little jobs that the big guys won't do. Don't matter what it is. Bush hogging, grading, clearing, whatever. So if we can help you out, please give us a call, 843-544-0292, or text me, and I'll be more glad to return your call or return your text. So y'all have a good day, be safe, and we'll see you somewhere down the line. This is Bucky with Carolina Tractor Worx. Bush hogging the field next to Hamlet, North Carolina. We're out of here.